During this pandemic, IRS has launched new tool Get My Payment. So it's very simple. Type Google and the Google type Get My Payment, and it will open you the various result. Click on first result www.irs.gov. Get My Payment, Internal Revenue Services. Once you click on that one, it will take you that particular site where it will show you like check on the status of your economic impact. Here it will give you information, your payment status, your payment type, whether we need more information from you. So probably for this one you may need 2019 tax return or 2018 tax return for filling this information. And they are saying like whatever the data you provide, we update overnight, so you not need to check again and again. Let's see, like you already filed for this, and there could be you haven't received the money, so for that there are the various region. You can have a look to the below regions they have given. There could be a situation you did not file 2018 or 19 tax return, so for that one they have given another link like the non-filers. Enter payment info here. Okay, now let's go back and click on Get My Payment. So this is saying like that this is the US government system is for authorization use only. So at very high level they are saying like there is no privacy law here. All the information is being tracked. So okay, once read this properly, click on OK. Once you click on OK button, they will ask you some certain question, for example the social security number. So you have to fill your social security number over here. You have to give your date of birth over here. I'm just hiding for the security purpose. Once you fill this, you need to give the exact address whatever you have filled during filing your tax return. You have to give the exact zip code so that they have the match information. Click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, it will show you the status like you are eligible for the payment, and do you want direct deposit. If yes, then click on enter bank detail, and here the best part, you have to provide your bank detail. So the first thing is like you have to fill the adjusted gross income, and you may get it from your 2000 tax return. You may also get it from 2018 tax return, and there is a question mark given where they have given like which line of 2019 that information available, and yeah, similarly for the 2018 it is available which line. So here is some more information about line 8b, line 7. So which line that information is given which you have to fill over here. So once you find that information from your tax return, so you have to fill that, and you have to select whether you owe the money or you have to. Then after that you have to select your which account you need, whether you need in the checking account or the saving account, and you have to give the routing number as well as the account number. Where you will get the routing number, you simply can get from your check, the first part, and the second part is the bank account number. You can also get it, or if you are having online account, you can check, you can log into your account and you can check it from there. You fill all of them, you need to click on the submit button. It will take you the